Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am back here with yet another video for unboxing this Corsair 1200 watt power supply. As you know guys, I have been doing a lot of unboxing on my channel for a lot of components to make an ultimate astrophotography image processing rig so as to reduce your image processing time for your astrophotography sessions. If you have not seen those videos guys, I will put the link of the videos above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So ensure that guys you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, before we move further with the unboxing, let us see what is there on the top of the box. What are the information and specifications which are printed on the top of the box. So let us start with the manufacturer. On the top you can see it is manufactured by Corsair. On the screen as you can see, this is the printed model of the PSU. As you can see, this is a totally modular design. You do not have a permanent cable which is attached at the back of this power supply. Guys, I've already done an unboxing of a partially modular power supply. If you have not seen that video, I will put the link of the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So as you can see guys, this is an HX series power supply. It has an 80 plus platinum rating with 10 years of warranty. This is a 1200 watt power supply, which is why this model number is HX1200. As you can see at the bottom of the box, it is 80 plus platinum certified, 100% all Japanese 105 degrees centigrade capacitors, ZeroRPM mode for an ultra no noise operations, and the superior voltage regulation and long-term reliability. Now let us see on the top of the box what are the information that it provides. It tells you about the different types of modular cable that is available along with this power supply. It comes with one ATX cable, two EPS ATX 12 volt cable, 8 PCIe cable, 8 SATA cable, 12 90-degree SATA cable, and 8 peripheral cable, and 1 floppy drive cable. So these are all the cables that comes along with the power supply. Now let us see on the sides what it has to mention. So these are the same information which was printed on the top of the box. So let us see on the other side what it has to offer. It is the same information on this side as well. If you guys want, you can go through it. I'm gonna skip it for now. Let us see at the bottom of the box what it says. So at the bottom of the box you still have a Corsair branding and switch between a single and a multiple 12 volt rails. So you have an additional switch. You can switch between a single and a multiple 12 volt rails that will help you connect more peripherals that can use 12 volt power supply. As you can see, it has a 80 plus platinum certified. Here for the quiet and efficient operation, it is 80 plus platinum certified efficiency with 0 RPM fan mode, ensures that silent operation at low and medium loads. So for the medium level loads, your fan doesn't need to operate at all. So it has a good cooling system implemented. Now let us see guys what is there at the back of the box. On the top it says Corsair branding with high performance, premium contents, low noise. HX series power supplies gives you a lower operating cost, extremely tight voltage regulations, and a virtually silent operations with all Japanese 105 degree capacitors. They are great choice for an high performance PCs where efficiency and the reliability is essential. It comes with a low noise fan mode with 1200 power supply, silent operation at low and medium loads. As you can see guys, here it is 80 plus efficiency power graph and fan noise level. So as you can see, up till 40 degrees centigrade the fan doesn't need to operate, and then there outwards there is a gradual increase in the fan speed and hence the noise. So which is why it says that for the low and the medium loads the fan doesn't need to operate, so there will be low noise. As you can see here guys, the fan is shown here on the picture, the back side of the panel with the modular design and the switch and the side layout of the power supply. At the bottom you can see HX series AC input rating would be 100 volt to 240 volt. Input current would be 15 ampere to 7.5 ampere. The power supply frequency that it supports is 47 Hz to 63 Hz. So it is universal power supply and can be used anywhere in the world. DC output rating, as you can see here, it shows that 3.3 volt it can provide up to 30 amperes. For plus 5 volt it can provide up to 30 amperes. For plus 12 volt it can give up to 100 amperes. For minus 12 volt it can give up to 0.8 ampere. For plus 5 VSP it can give up to 3.4 5 ampere. So overall combined wattage at any point of time this power supply can provide is 1200 watt. So maximum power wattage for each voltage is also given here. You can refer this and plan your assembly of the PC. So this is it guys, this is there on the top of the box. Now let us open the box and see what's the content inside. To open the box you have to open it from the sides. Comes with another box inside. It's heavy guys, so be careful. Once you remove the top cover, this is how it looks like inside. This is a cardboard box that it comes with. It is a huge box guys, and this is heavy, so be careful while handling this. On the top of the box you have the Corsair branding, and here you have the barcode and the seal on the top. So let's break the seal. And now let us open the content of the box from the side. So this is how it looks like when you first open the box. On the top you have a huge thick user manual and information manual. If you want to go through it, you can go through it. As you know guys, I will be doing another video on how to install this power supply onto your cabinet, what are the ratings, what are the safety information. If you want, you can go through it, or I will do that video. You can watch that video to understand all that information. So guys, ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. So I will keep this user manual aside. There are some important information or guidelines that manufacturer wants you to go through it. As I told you guys, I will do another video to provide you all the detailed information, so I'm going to keep this information manual aside for now as well. As you can see on the top, it comes with a foam panel so as to protect your equipment during the transport. Now let's remove the foam that will reveal your power supply. This is a huge power supply. This is the power cable that it comes with. Here are the cable management and all the peripheral cables that you want to attach it to your modular power supply. It comes within this nice packed bag so as to keep safe. For all the cables that you don't want to use, you can keep it in this bag, so let's keep that out as well. It comes with some of the cable ties as well, so as for your cable management in the cabinet. And this is the power supply itself. So this is a huge power supply, you can see, with a big fan. I think it is 240 mm big fan that it comes with, so as to keep your huge power supply cool. So there is nothing more inside the box. Let's keep the box aside. So these are all the components which are included within the box. Now let us see one by one each of these components. These are the user manual and the operation guides. Like I told you guys, I will be doing another video on how to install this, so I will keep this aside for now. This is the huge power supply cable that it comes with, and it is a thick cable, as you can see, so it will be able to handle the high load and high current so as to give you a better quality and performance. So this is an heavy duty power cable that it comes along with. Like I told you guys, this comes with some of the cable ties and some of the nut bolts, and along with some of the Corsair branded steel stickers as well, so as to keep the branding on your CPU for Corsair. So if you want, you can stick it to your PSUs. So this is what it comes with. So next thing that is there is this bag. So this bag contains all the modular cables that you need to connect all your motherboard power supply and peripheral power supply that goes along with this modular power supply. So let's open this bag and see the content. So as you can see guys, these are huge cables, and these are nicely made heavy duty cables as well that comes with. There are different types of cables. I have already shown on the top of the box the count of each cable that it comes with. So these are the cables that are included, so you can use as many cables as you want. If you do not have that many peripherals to connect, you can opt out to connect it to your PSU, but then at the same time you have this bag to keep all your cables at one place when you are not using it. So this is a nice inclusion from Corsair to have the cable management and keep the cable safe when you are storing. So let's keep that aside as well. So this is the main power supply itself. So you can see it comes nicely packed in this transparent plastic cover. Now let's remove the plastic cover and see the power supply. So as you can see, physically the power supply is huge. On the top you have a 240 mm fan with a nice blade, so I think it's gonna give out enough hot air so as to keep your power supply safe and cool, so as to operate it at optimal temperatures. Let's see on the side. On the side you have an HX1200 branding and Corsair branding. On this side you see you have a power cord connection place and a huge switch so as to turn on and turn off the power supply, and this is perforated as well so as to have a maximum airflow for the cooling. On this side as well you just have the branding and the Corsair branding. On the back side you have all the ratings which were mentioned on the top of the box, the power supply, the voltage, and some of the safety information and disposal information that you have. If you want, you can go through it. Let's see on this side what you have. On this side you have all the modular power cable that you can connect it to. As you can see on the top it says SATA peripherals, 6.2 PCI 4+4 CPU cable. So here you can have peripherals and SATA cables, 24-pin ATX cable that you can attach here. So these are the different cables which are also included in the bag that it comes with, so you can connect all the required cable that you need to power up your motherboard, connect your peripherals and everything. So this is it guys, this is the unboxing of this Corsair 1200 watt power supply. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and clear skies.